AutoTrendz welcome to start as today we dive straight into one of the most outrageous, brutally powerful, and unapologetically aggressive luxury sedans ever created, the new MANSORY BMW M5 P850. This is not just a tuned M5, this is a complete transformation that turns an already ferocious super sedan into a street-dominating monster that looks, sounds, and performs like nothing else on the road. When BMW's engineering meets MANSORY's extreme philosophy, the result is something that completely rewrites the rules of what a four-door performance car can be. At first glance, the MANSORY BMW M5 P850 makes it clear that subtlety was never part of the plan. The exterior design takes the muscular shape of the M5 and pushes it to the absolute limit. Every panel feels more aggressive, more dramatic, and more purpose-built. The carbon fiber treatment is extensive, covering the front splitter, hood elements, side skirts, mirror caps, rear diffuser, and even the trunk spoiler. MANSORY's signature forged carbon adds a unique texture that instantly separates this car from factory models and even other tuned M5s. The front fascia looks sharper and angrier, with enlarged air intakes that don't just enhance visual drama but also improve airflow for cooling the upgraded powertrain. Moving along the sides, the widened stance becomes obvious. Custom MANSORY wheels, typically massive 22-inch forged alloys, fill the arches perfectly, giving the car a planted, almost predatory posture. The lowered suspension enhances the aggressive silhouette, making the M5 P850 look like it's permanently ready to launch. From the rear, the quad exhaust system dominates the view, framed by a carbon diffuser that looks ripped straight from a GT race car. This is a sedan that refuses to blend in, even among supercars. Under the hood is where the MANSORY BMW M5 P850 truly earns its name. The standard BMW M5 is already a performance icon, powered by a twin-turbo V8 that delivers shocking speed. MANSORY takes that foundation and pushes it into another league entirely. Through upgraded turbochargers, optimized EQ mapping, a high-performance exhaust system, and enhanced cooling components, output is increased to an astonishing 850 horsepower. Torque figures rise dramatically as well, delivering an explosive surge of acceleration at any speed. Press the accelerator and the response is immediate and violent. The M5 P850 launches with relentless force, pinning occupants into their seats as the scenery blurs instantly. Despite its size and luxury sedan proportions, the car rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just around 3 seconds, rivaling dedicated supercars that cost far more and offer far less practicality. The all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, translating that immense power into controlled, confidence-inspiring performance even under hard launches. What makes the MANSORY BMW M5 P850 especially impressive is how it balances brutality with refinement. This is not a stripped-out race car, it remains a full luxury sedan at heart. The ride, while firmer, is still composed, and the car feels remarkably stable at high speeds. On highways, it can cruise effortlessly, but with a simple press of the throttle, it transforms into a high-speed missile capable of demolishing straight roads with ease. Step inside the cabin and the transformation continues. MANSORY interiors are known for their bold customization, and the M5 P850 is no exception. Premium leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber dominate the interior, often finished in striking color combinations chosen by the owner. Custom stitching, embossed MANSORY logos, and bespoke trim elements give the cabin a handcrafted, exclusive feel. Even the smallest details, from seat belts to floor mats, reflect the brand's obsession. With personalization, the seats offer exceptional support, designed to keep occupants firmly in place during aggressive driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. The steering wheel is reworked with carbon fiber and alcantara, improving grip and reinforcing the motorsport-inspired atmosphere. Despite the extreme performance upgrades, all modern technology and driver assistance systems remain intact, ensuring that the M5 P850 is as usable as it is thrilling. Sound plays a massive role in the experience of the MANSORY BMW M5 P850. The upgraded exhaust system produces a deep, thunderous roar that announces the car's presence long before it comes into view. Under acceleration, the V8 delivers a raw, mechanical symphony that sends chills down the spine, while crackles and pops on downshifts add to the drama. Yet, when driven calmly, the exhaust can remain surprisingly restrained, reminding you that this is still a luxury sedan capable of daily use. On the road, the M5 P850 feels incredibly composed for a car with this level of power. Steering is precise, body roll is well controlled, and braking performance is immense, thanks to upgraded braking components designed to handle extreme speeds. Whether attacking a winding mountain road or cruising on an open highway, the car feels confident and commanding, delivering a driving experience that blends luxury, technology, and raw performance seamlessly. What truly sets the MANSORY BMW M5 P850 apart is exclusivity. This is not a mass-produced model you see every day. Each build is highly customized, often tailored to the exact tastes of its owner. From exterior color schemes to interior materials and performance specifications, no two cars are exactly alike. Owning one is not just about speed or luxury, it's about making a statement that you demand the most extreme version of everything. In a world increasingly dominated by electrification and downsized engines, the M5 P850 stands as a bold reminder of what a high-performance V8 sedan can be when unleashed without compromise. It represents the peak of internal combustion excess, blending German engineering with MANSORY's fearless design and tuning philosophy. This is a car built for enthusiasts who want it all: supercar-level acceleration, limousine comfort, head-turning design, and unmatched road presence. The new MANSORY BMW M5 P850 is not for the faint of heart, and it certainly isn't for those who prefer subtlety. It's loud, powerful, aggressive, and unapologetically bold. It exists to dominate streets, highways, and headlines, proving that the luxury performance sedan still has plenty of room to shock and inspire. For those who crave ultimate power wrapped in handcrafted luxury, the M5 P850 is not just a car, it's a statement of pure automotive rebellion.